Hello students, welcome in our class. Today I explain you chapter 3, pair of linear equation in the two variables. Yes students, pair of linear equation in the two variables. First of all, I just introduction for the linear equations. You know that linear equations related points already studied in the 9th standard. So first of all, standard equation of the linear form always ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. It is a standard equations. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where necessary students ABC belongs to real numbers and sum of the a square plus b square never 0. These two are little condition always, because if you a square and b square sum of square 0, then only constant remaining. So it is not indicate our linear equations. So you always remember your linear equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. There are x and y are our two variables for the lines. Students, this equation are straight lines. So I just telling about line L1 a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and second line it is L2 a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Generally, students, two lines are possible intersection cases are there only three. Again repeat. Generally, two lines, only two are intersection between that only three cases. Our first case is that intersection between two lines at the point something A, means just like this drawing. L1 and L2, two lines are intersect at a common point, it is A point. It means two lines must be intersected in between this only one point. So these cases are defined to between two lines. Second lines are also L1 parallel to L2, means there are nothing intersection between them. So these two lines are parallel cases. It means they are never intersect. Intersection set is a null set. So here I mention you, it is a unique solution. Unique means one and only one solution, and here no solution. Solution means this x and y value not defined here in this solution between two parallel lines. Again I repeat, L1 and L2 two lines between its intersection for three cases. First case are the unique intersection value solutions. Second, no solution if they are parallel. And third case is, this also case is same, L1 equal to L2. It means your two lines are overlapping to each other. Overlapping means it is a coincident. L1 and this line is a L2. This case is to overlapping. These are L2 lines. So generally, in this case, here infinite many solutions available. Infinite many solutions available in these cases. So generally, students, in this chapter, pair of linear equation in the two variables. In the full chapter, I explain you related intersection points. It is a parallel points and it is an infinite many solution related. It is a coincident lines. Yes, these three topics are related. Our whole chapter contain many numericals available in our chapters. So one by one I explain you all topics in the chapter related, but all answer must be it's either unique solution, either in no solution, either in infinite solutions. Students, in this unique solutions related, no solution related, and infinite related, there are 4 different methods given in your textbook. One of the graphical method, second elimination method, third substitutions method, and fourth one of the cross multiplication method. And after that all 4 method completed, I go to then after word problems. So there are the total 5 major parts given in these chapters. But overall all answers related is only 3 figures. Clear? So let us start. One of the simple method for the first method, it is called our elimination method. Related I explain in this chapter's solutions. Correct? Now students, I explain you first topic, elimination method. Related many numericals given in our textbook. But before starting textbook question, I give you one extra sum. See our extra sum, first line x plus y is equal to 5. And second, 2x plus 3y equal to 7. I given any example, sir. Taking equation 1 and equation 2. Now students, you decided which variable you eliminated. Yes, again repeat, which variable you eliminated. So this method is called our elimination. As you decided, you decide x value is eliminated, either y value eliminated. Both I explain you one by one. As you like, you apply any one method in the exam. Here I eliminated first x. So definitely if you eliminated, then here multiply by 2. Then they are same. So my sum start. We multiply 2 with equation number 1. And here 2 multiply. So 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. Students, you multiply both the sides, always. So second equation same, 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. These are the first and these are the second. Here I eliminated my one variable. That's why this method is called elimination method. See students, here just I subtract the like terms, all are. And this cancel, 2x and 2x. So what you get remaining? Yes, remaining is a minus y. This symbol calculate. 2 minus 3. How much 2 minus 3? Minus 1y. And 10 minus 7, it is 3. So y is equal to just only minus 3. Now after that students, this y value apply either in first, either in second, as you like. You get the value for x. So I utilize first. From first equation, x plus y is equal to 5. Put down your y value. It is minus 3. So x is equal to 5 plus 3. It is x is equal to 8. So my solution is x comma y. Here done. It is 8 comma minus 3. And these are happily finished. Now same numerical. I explain students. If you eliminated y side, then also you're true. So don't worry. I again explain this numerical by the solution for y side. So another method I apply in this sum. Here multiply by 3. We multiply 3 with equation number 1. In exam, students, you only and only write down any one method as you prefer. But if both are the same result coming. So here 3 multiply. So 3x plus 3y is equal to 15. And here same is 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. Again symbol change to these are minus. And this cancel like terms. Clear now? So how much? 3x minus 2x, it is x. And here 15 minus 7, it is 8. Check. Your first answer is done. Here x is equal to 8. And this value x, students, you apply in any one equations. I apply to first equation. From 1, x plus y is equal to 5. Put down your value for x, 8. how much y? 5 minus 8. Yes, it is minus 3. So my solution is x comma y. It is 8 comma minus 3. And sure, my previous method using for x eliminated, then second y eliminated. These are same answers. Students, eliminated means you remove the variables. That's why this method is called our elimination method. And these are easily any way you apply. This is the same answers. Now after one extra numerical, students, I go to exercise 3.4. In the first question, solve the linear equations by the elimination method and substitutions method. There are two methods asking in your textbook. But here I explain only elimination method. After that I explain you students substitutions in the next part. So see the first question, x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. You decided, you x eliminate or y eliminate. As you like, I decided here x eliminate. So here 2 multiply. Either you decided y eliminate, then here 3 multiply. So as you decided students, don't worry. We multiply 2 with equation number 1. Here 2 multiply both sides, 2x plus 2y, and here 5 2s are 10. And this is same as nothing do in the second equation. Now students, check your like term values is cancellation or not. Yes, these are cancellation maybe, but it is a both are the plus given. So can I symbol the change? Here minus, here plus, and here minus, because these are the 2 and 2 cancel. To apply after that symbol change, students, these two are the cancel. See, 2x and 2x. Why a symbol change here? Because plus 2x both are in plus position given. Sometimes if you direct cancellation, then you not making the symbol change. Now these two new symbols you counted. Plus 3 plus 2. How much? Yes, it is 5y. And here 10 minus 4, it is 6. So y is equal to 6 by 5. This is my first little answer. Now students, this y value, as you like, applying first or second, I go to first. So from first, x plus y is equal to 5, and here putting values for 6 by 5. This value y, I just applying in the first equation. Students, you also applying in second equation. This also true. So x is equal to 5 minus 6 by 5. Surely you getting 25 minus 6 by 5, which is 19 by 5. So my solution, x comma y, which is how much? 19 by 5 comma 6 by 5. Students, this indicates your two lines L1 and L2 as a intersection between at a one unique point. And that unique point is called your answer, 19 by 5 comma 6 by 5 students. Again you revise, there are only three cases, either they intersect, either they parallel, either overlapping. Clear? Check here, this answer is an intersection between the two lines as a unique point. Don't worry, in graphical method also students, that type some graph I represent in this parts. But here only and only I just touch up elimination method, and here your first answer easily our done. Now students, I go to question number 2. 2 is that 2x plus 4y is equal to 10, and second 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. So as you decided, you eliminate y value or eliminate x value. Students, here I am taking again the x value eliminate for your again better understand this method. So we multiply 2 with equation number 1 and we multiply 3 with equation number 2. Check here, these two multiply, then here it is 6, and here 3 multiply, then this 6. both value, here 6 and 6 easily cancellations. So here multiply by 2, so it is 6x, 4 to the 8 and 10 to the 20. Same as here 3 multiply, so 6x, 3 to the 6y and here 3 to the 6. Now students, symbol change necessary, then it gave the cancellations. Here necessary symbol change because here plus 6x and plus 6x, they are never cutting. That's why I symbol change. And here also change, minus to plus and here plus to minus. This to cancel, 6x, 6x. So what the remaining? Yes, new symbol counted. Plus 6 plus 8, 14y plus. And here also 14. So y get 14 by 14. It is only and only 1. Now this y equal to 1. Students, apply in the any one equation, either this, either this. I go to first. So from equation 1, 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. Here y value 1, attach them. So 3 into x, 4 into 1. So 3x is equal to 10 minus 4. And how much it is? 10 minus 4? Yes, it is 6. So x getting 6 by 3. My answer is a 2. So my solution here easily done. X comma y, which is 2 comma 1. Students, here also you check. Your answer is a 2 lines L1 and L2 intersect at a unique point. This unique point is your 2 comma 1. Yes, this is a line, no? Linear equation in our two variables x and y is called straight lines. And here 2 lines are intersection between them. And this answer is easily 2 comma 1 here done. Correct? Same as third one now. Question is there 3x minus 5y minus 4 equal to 0 and 9x is equal to 2y plus 7. Students, first of all, this 4 you just make the right side and here 2y take the left side. Then your elimination method is applying. So here is equal to 4, statement 1. And these are the 9x minus 2y is equal to 7 as it is, statement 2. Now again I telling you students, anyway you eliminate either x data, either y data. So here as you decided x going, then here multiply 3, 3 3s are 9. Yes, but this time students I take the y element. So necessary here 2 multiply, here 5 multiply, then they get 10. So we multiply 2 with equation number 1 and 5 with equation number 2. So here 2 multiply, so each and every number multiply, yeah? So 3 to the 6x, 5 to the 10y and 4 to the 8 and here 5 multiply. So 9 5 is 45, 5 to the 10 and here 5 7 is 7 5 is 35. Now symbol change necessary students. Then you easily cutting values. Symbol necessary change. This minus and this minus not cancellation. That's why I opposite symbol write. Here also opposite, here also opposite. Because plus 45 you converting minus 45. Plus 35 you converting minus 35. Now students this 10 and 10y cancel. And how many? 6 minus 45? Yes, 45 minus 6 is a minus 39. And this side 8 minus 35? Yes, it is minus 27. So 39x is equal to 27. This minus and this minus gone. Only I have x is equal to 27 by 39. And here 9 3s are and here 13 3s are. And finally you done. Your first answer is 9 by 13 and that's the last value for the x. Now this x either first either second apply. I go to now this time second equations. As you like students, first also true, second also true. From 2 Here from 2 is a 9x is equal to 2y plus 7. 9x is how much? 9 by 13. And here as it is. So 9 9s are 81 by 13. Plus 7 carry forward left side to right side to left side. It is minus 7. Now how many 13 7s are? Yes, LCM taking. 13 7s are 7 3s are 21. 2 carry, 7 1s are 7, 8 and 9, it is 91 is equal to 2i same as. So finally done students. 81 minus 91. Yes, 81 minus 91. How much? It is minus 10 by 13 is equal to 2i. This 2 and 5s are cancelled. My answer is minus 5 by 13 and that's here easily done for y. So, finally solution, our x comma y is how much? X is that 9 by 13 and y is minus 5 by 13 and these are happily done. Students, here also you just checking for your two lines L1 and L2, the intersection between the points. This point is your answer. 9 by 13 minus 5 by 13. It's very easy solution, students. Now one more numerical for our question 1 running. Students, it is question 1 related. Question number 4. X by 2, 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1. And x minus y by 3 is equal to 3. Students, here nothing given, then you taking only 1. And first you simplify in the standard form. And this numerical for students, IMP exam level sum. 6 LCM. So you are getting is equal to minus 1. 3 multiply that 3x. 2 multiply that 4y. So how much it is? 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. Statement 1. Same as here LCM taking 3. 3x minus y is equal to 3. And again this 3 multiply that. So you are getting 3x minus y is equal to 9. Statement 2. So now you decided which value you eliminate, x or y? Yes, students, here directly this x is eliminated. Look at that, it is same as. So nothing multiply. I just go into direct solution. So solving first and second, 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6 and 3x minus y is equal to 9. Yes, symbol here change, students. Why symbol change? Because the like terms are making two cancellations. So plus 3x and minus 3x cancel. I have only 4y plus y and it is how much? 5y is equal to minus 6 minus 9. Yes, it is minus 15. So y getting minus 15 by 5 which is minus 3. And here first value happily done. Y is equal to minus 3. Now look at that, students. This y you apply either in first, either in second. I go to second now this time. From 2, 3x minus y is equal to 9. Put down this y value. Y I have minus 3. So total you getting plus 3. It means 9 minus 3. How much? It is 6. So you done easily. What do you get x? 6 by 3 which is 2. So my final solution after that x comma y which is x is equal to 2 and what is the y? Minus 3. And here also you check just your two lines are students intersect at a one unique point and that unique point is your unique solutions. Clear? So that's your simple and easiest answer for question number first, fourth sum. And you are done easily.